You know that feeling when you put such an amazing workshop out there, you know, you can help people, and then nobody, not even a single person, registers for it. It's so annoying. It is. I know, I've been there. And within this video, I will give you a few tips how not to have it happen again. There are a few things you can tweak, and I'm going to share that with you. I remember my first workshop. It was a disaster. I booked really expensive hotel, really nice, beautiful hotel in Manchester. I prepared amazing workbooks, printed them, binded them. They were absolutely amazing. The content I was putting for so long to make sure it's amazing. And then 2 weeks before a workshop, a week before a workshop, and not a single person bought the ticket. And it wasn't expensive. I think it was something about £20. I didn't know what to do. What was going on? So you know what I started to do? I started to unravel what I'm doing, how I market my workshop, and I quickly figured it out. The first thing that you really need to make sure you do is to look at where and who you're trying to sell this workshop to. Even if it's free, remember, even if it's free, you're selling it. And you know what was my mistake? I was trying to sell it to a completely cold audience. I was using Facebook ads, and I'm not saying they are wrong, but I was using them to a cold audience. First, you need to make sure that the people that you make offer to experience you, that they get some value from you, that they connect with you, so that they know, like, and trust you. I didn't do it with that workshop. I put the amazing advert out there about the workshop, yes, about the value and benefits of it, but those people didn't know me. And so that's the key. Look, where are you trying to promote your workshop? Do they know you already? Did you build a relationship? That's the key. And then look how you talk about your workshop. Are you saying, you know, come to this workshop, join this 3-day challenge, join this amazing free month-long course? Remember, people don't buy a workshop, challenge, a course, a free session. They don't buy those things. They buy what they want. Even if those things, workshop, challenge, a free session, even if those things take them where they want to be, this is not what they buy, and you need to stop selling it. So go and check the description of your workshop. Check if you're selling what they want. Check if the language that you use is the language that they would use. So I'll give you an example. When I'm selling a workshop for parents that have teenagers that struggle with anger, I'm not selling a workshop. I'm not even selling just a workshop for parents. What I'm selling is you will learn how to cope with your own emotions when your teenager is getting angry. You see, this is their words. They say, I'm snapping out when they snap out and there is a fight. And this is what I'm selling. You will learn how to cope with your own emotions so that you don't snap out when your child gets angry. That's just a little tweak in your thinking. When it's like when you are in your own world, you sell your workshop, you forget what they actually want. It's not the process. It's so what of that process. So anytime you promote anything, come to this workshop, and you need to be really specific. So what? It's not the part of the process. So what is what they get because of that process? So for example, I'm not even going to sell in my workshop for parents tools for parenting or tools to deal with anger. What I need to sell is you will learn those tools. So what? So that next time your child gets angry, you know how to calm down the situation. So next time your child gets angry, you're not going to make it worse. So think about so what of your offer. So to quickly recap what I shared with you, you need to make sure your audience knows, likes, and trusts you. So check it where you actually sell it, who you sell it to, and if you already have a relationship with them. If not, then there is something you need to add in between to warm them up. The second thing is you need to make sure you sell what your audience wants, not what they need. Seriously. Even though what they need will help them to get what they want. And the third thing is use their language. And the fourth thing is remember that what they care about is not the process, but so what of that process. And if it's still like, but I don't know how to improve it, then I've got something amazing for you. On the podcast that I'm launching, you can come and get my help, get a little audit of your workshop description, of the way you market your workshop, of the way you sell your workshop, of the way you promote your workshop. So basically we will sit down together. It will be recorded for my podcast so that others can learn from you, but I will do exactly an audit of your situation. So we will look into your workshop. It's a great opportunity if you're about to launch something, or if you are in the middle of selling your workshop and nobody buys. Send me an email to hello@wioleta.co.uk. Tell me, why do you want me to help you? And I will choose maybe 3 of you who really I resonate with the most. And what we will do, we will sit down for 30 minutes call. We will record it for the podcast, and I will go through your workshop description. You will tell me how you tried to sell it, what doesn't work, and I will help you to find a way to tweak it so that you will start selling your workshops, your challenges, your free sessions, whatever it is that you're selling. Does it sound like a good deal? Seriously, don't miss out, and email me at hello@wioleta.co.uk. And I will see you there. Bye for now.